everyone, it is Couponing with D and I am back with another video. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome for stopping by. Thank you also for stopping by. And if you are already a part of the family, welcome back. Today I have a couple of items on my table. I did a spend 70, get 7 off. And then I paired it with some extra bucks. My out of pocket for me is fine. For you all, it may be a little bit too high. So you can break it up into smaller transactions. First, I did the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. This week they're 2 for $8. I purchased 2 of those, and then I picked up a Downy Light Ocean Mist beads. Those are priced at $12.99 this week in my store. The Tide Pods were also priced at $12.97, and the liquid fabric softener was priced at $6.99. I picked up 2 packs of Huggies. Now let me say this. This is my second occurrence picking up Huggies, and the same thing happened but at a different store. If the registers are doing something differently, somebody please let me know down in the comments. But this week they're supposed to be buy one get one 50% off. It was tagged that way, it rang up that way, but I noticed it and I said to the young lady, they're both ringing up at $13.49. She says, I haven't hit total yet, it'll come off at the end. I said, okay, no problem. So, of course, that did not happen because I'm looking at my receipt and both of them are $13.49. So I'm owed like $6.75. Then I had the 2 Colgate Total in the front whitening charcoal. Both of those were priced at $4.29. 10 extra bucks for the spend 30, $6 for the Colgate, $2 for the shampoo, and I'm sorry, it's $5 for the Huggies. The coupons that I used were a $3 internet printable for the Garnier Fructis. I had a $1.50 off for one of the Huggies Pampers. I had the $1 off one for the Colgate. I had a digital $3 off 2 Garnier. I had a $3 off the pods, $2 off of the Huggies. I had $2 off of the scent beads, $1 off the other box of Colgate, $1 off of the Downy softener. My 7 off of 70, I used $25 in extra bucks. My total before taxes was $27.03. Don't forget to submit your receipts to PG Good every day. They have the gift card promotions going on. Spend 50, get 15. Spend 30, get 10. Spend 20, get 5. It can be on the Gain products. It can be on the Tide products. It can be on a P&G haul. This is all I have for you today on my video. I will see you on the next one. Bye.